Plant growth and development. Very short answer questions, 2 marks. Define plasticity. Give an example. The ability of plants to follow different pathways in response to the environment or phases of life to form different kinds of structures is called plasticity. Example, heterophyly in cotton, coriander. What is the disease that formed the basis for the identification of gibberellins in plants? Name the causative fungus of the disease. The Buchanay or foolish seedling disease of rice seedlings. It is caused by a fungus Gibberella fusicori. What is apical dominance? Name the growth hormone that causes it. The growing apical bud inhibits the growth of lateral buds, a phenomenon called apical dominance. It is caused by auxins. What is meant by bolting? Which hormone causes bolting? Elongation of internodes just before flowering is called bolting. Gibberellins causes bolting. Define respiratory climatic. Name the PGR associated with it. The rise in the rate of respiration during the ripening of the fruits is known as respiratory climatic. Ethylene is responsible for it. What is ethipan? Write its role in agricultural practices. The most widely used compound as a source of ethylene is ethipan. Ethipan is an aqueous solution. Ethipan hastens fruit ripening in tomatoes and apples. It promotes female flowers in cucumbers, thereby increase the yield. What is abscisic acid, also known as stress hormone? Because it stimulates the closure of stomata in the epidermis and increases the tolerance of plants to various kinds of stresses. Define growth and development. Growth. It is an irreversible permanent increase in size of an organism or its parts or even of an individual cell. Development. All changes that an organism goes through its life cycle from seed germination to senescence. Name the phases observed in sigmoid growth curve. Lag phase, log phase, stationary phase. What are the very essential conditions required for growth? Water, oxygen and nutrients.